If you like adventures, backpacking, and hiking, then this channel is for you. Come join the adventure. Get off the couch and get outside. Our world has so much beauty in it, and there's so much to explore. So hopefully this motivates you to get outside. I usually post weekly or bi-weekly. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get weekly updates and alerts. Buy the merch and support the channel. Thanks so much. This was an epic hike on the Appalachian Trail. It was more like 6 miles out and back. This hike is near Hot Springs, North Carolina. The Appalachian Trail spans from Springer, Georgia to Katahdin, Maine. It travels through 14 states and is one of the longest hiking trails in the world. The trail was first proposed in 1921 and completed in 1937. Each year, backpackers try to complete the entire trail within one season, and only about 25% succeed. Most people don't have time to backpack the entire Appalachian Trail, so day hikers alike and weekend backpackers go out on the trail and experience it. I tried to record my video in 8K, and unfortunately some of it came out corrupted. So at this point, I'm probably about a mile up the trail. The first mile of video footage was lost, but that's okay. We'll make do with what we have. This trail takes you up to Rich Mountain Fire Tower, which is an amazing view. You could also drive, but you need a 4x4 to get up there. Here's a little campsite. Nice and flat over there. A sign was posted at the beginning of the trail basically saying that overnight backpacking was not permitted in the area due to aggressive bears. And here is a little water source. This is literally the largest snail I've ever seen. It's amazing. A blue blaze trail leads you up to the fire tower. Horse or bear poop? What's the verdict? The historic fire tower was built in 1932 by the United States Forest Service. The fire tower was actively staffed until the 1990s. Many partnerships between the Forest Service and other agencies have kept this fire tower from becoming dilapidated. Hey, thank you for being a part of my channel, and please like and continue to watch my videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.